Well, good morning again, class. Today we're going to be looking at our writing prompt again, but we're going to be working on taking notes from a video. So instead of just reading from a text, we're going to make sure that we can also pull information from a video with what we see and what we hear. Now remember, in a previous lesson, we gathered some information about chipmunks from our writing of Being in and Seeing Nature by John Burroughs. So today we're going to view, listen to, and take notes from a video source. Just like we did the other time about watching a video with woodpeckers, we're going to add the appearance and behavior of chipmunks to our graphic organizer. So first off, let's review our prompt, and then we'll get started with watching the video. So our prompt is, based on information from Being in and Seeing Nature and the world of chipmunks, write an informative report in which you describe the appearance and behavior of chipmunks. Support your ideas with details from the facts and details from the text and video. So let's begin by watching our video. Here's our chipmunk friends. Oops, my sound's off. Let me start it over again.
Squirrel family.
Chipmunks are small, furry members of the squirrel family. They make their homes in woods or shrubby areas. Chipmunks build nests or dig burrows that consist of complex underground tunnels. A chipmunk's tunnel system can be as much as 30 feet long. Most chipmunk species live in North America. The exception is the Siberian chipmunk, which resides all across northern Asia, from Russia to Japan. Chipmunk species vary in color and size. Most are 4 to 7 inches long, though larger chipmunks can grow to be 11 inches. Chipmunks are omnivores, meaning that they eat both plants and animals. Their diet consists partly of vegetation, including nuts, seeds, and berries. But they also eat small animals such as frogs and insects. Whether they are gathering seeds and nuts for a meal or storing food for the winter, chipmunks have a unique physical characteristic that allows them to carry their food. They have pouches in their cheeks that can expand to 3 times the size of their heads. This enables them to gather a large amount of food at once when they are foraging. In this way, these small creatures are able to build up large stores of food to last them through the cold winter months.
So that's our video. on chipmunks. So remember, we could always go back and rewatch it, which you will be doing by yourself later. Now we're going to go with our appearance first. And what did we notice about our chipmunk friends? Well, we noticed about their appearance is that they have round cheeks. Remember, it talked about how they could stuff them full 3 times the size of their head. We saw that they have large eyes and that they have dark and light stripes on their back. We also saw that they have a bushy tail, as described. Now, for our behavior, what did we notice? Well, we noticed that they live where? They live in the woods and shrubby areas. What else did we notice? Well, we noticed that I used the word forage. They forage for food. And what do they do with that? They store it in the winter months. So they stockpile and collect all of these items. Now, there's other behaviors that we notice that the chipmunk does. There's other appearances that we notice that the chipmunk does. So what else can we add to this? Well, the appearance had told us that they can grow 7 to 11 inches. We also noticed that they have these large cheeks that can expand 3 times the size of their head. So what else did we notice about that? So I want you guys to watch that video again and see if you can come up with an idea on what other traits do we see. How else could we describe them? And what other behaviors do we notice about the chipmunks? Alright, good luck, and we'll see you guys later.